he's cut. Not. Poor David. He's not.
Is that David or Dylan? So that's David. Yep. Gotta come out a little bit. Get in there, Daisy.
Oh, look at her. She's laying right in it. Chills.
Good old Dixie.
Yeah. Look at her go around. Holy cow.
She said, there's food over there.
Yeah. I got it all over here. I need to go over there now.
Oh, that didn't take long. Get over there, Dash.
Well, for a first attempt, that wasn't bad.
Yeah, for first attempt, they've cleaned it up pretty fast.
The other ones will just lick off the faces. Look at Dixie. Look at her.
She says, I know how to do this.
Yeah. No, you're not drinking off his weenie. That's just all you want to do. Oh. Hello. So beautiful day in the neighborhood. Oh, now you got some. Dixie is not getting out of that pan.
Nope.
Look at her. She's as big as a barn.
What's the matter, Dylan? You can't get any?